Okay, we will start the session. Okay, we will start our session. Yes. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Nobody reply of the question. Okay, we will start our session. Yes. Okay, we will start today. We will revise the concept of our third chapter. Okay, all of you. I'm giving you homework of class polymorphism. Yes, all of you completed. Yes. Okay, we will see our fourth chapter. First, we will see what will be study in our chapter number 3, unit number 3. Okay. Yes, we will revise the concept of unit number 3. Yes. Okay. First, we will revise the concept of unit number 3. Okay. We will see first. We will see the unit number 3 revision. Okay. We will see the unit number 3 object-oriented programming concept. Okay. Then we will see class object. Okay. Next one methods object class instances. Okay. Yes. What is meant by OOPS in Python? Okay. They are having 5 main pillars of OOPS concept. Okay. Class, object, method, inheritance, and polymorphism. Okay. And class means what? Anyone tell me example of class? Yes. Anyone tell me the example of class? Yes, classroom. Okay. Next one, object. Object means they're having two parameter, two characteristics. Oh, they're having two characteristics. Okay. What is the two characteristics of object? Yes. Anyone tell me first? Yes, they are having two characteristics of object. Yes. What is this characteristics of object? Yes. Yes. Student, give me reply. Yes. Attribute and behavior. Okay. Next one, we will see the example of class person. Yes. Then we will see the init function. We will compulsory write in class and object init function. Yes. Then self parameter. If you don't write any parameter in the default function, you write it in class and object, they having no any your program is not run. Okay, if it is compulsory in Python, you write it default parameter. Okay, if you write it self parameter, it is compulsory in Python. If you write it class and object program. Okay, next one, method object. If you write inside the function, it is your method. Okay, okay. Next one, inheritance. Okay, it is our best example, grandparent, parents, and son. Okay, child. Okay, and they're having 5 types: single inheritance, multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hybrid inheritance. Okay, next, method overriding. Okay, we will see the same method, same argument in method overriding. Okay, all of you understood the theory of method overriding. Okay, and program also, it is compulsory to write one program of method overriding. Okay, next one, abstraction. Abstraction is a best example, your mobile phone. Yes. Next one, polymorphism. They are having different forms. Okay. Okay, we will see the overall review of unit number 3. Okay, we will move for unit number 4. Yes, all of you join fast. We will move for unit number 4 right now. In unit number 4, we will study the different modules in Python. Okay, for example, your regular expression, next one date time module, next one calendar module, how to import calendar module, date time module, regular expression. Regular expression, they're having RE module. RE, we will import it. Okay, all of you, we will join fast. Strength is join fast to the session. Then we will move for our unit number 4. Okay. Take 5-minute time. Join fast. We will not start the session. Take 5-minute time. Join fast to the session. Okay, we will move our very important point in Python. Unit number 4. They are having standard library modules in Python packages. For example, your RE module, calendar module, and next one date time module. How to import in Python. We will study in today's session. Okay, only 3 module we will study in today's session. Then we will move for our next session in our dynamic creation arrays, how to create arrays, built-in mod type, solo deep copy operation, mathematical function. Okay? Yes? Join fast. Okay. We will study unit number 4. Start our unit number 4, Python standard library models and packages first. Okay. They're having the common, in this unit number 4, we will study the different concept like common string operation, regular expression operation, basic date time function, type module, general calendar related function. Okay. Next one, container type, efficient array numeric value, dynamic type creation, and names for built-in type, solo and deep copy operation. Okay. Next one we will study mathematical function, generate pseudocode random numbers, functional programming module, file and dictionary, directory access. Okay. We will study different types of module in the Python. Okay. First, we will study the basic calendar function. Okay. All of you know about calendar. Yes. They're having calendar function. They're having no any theory in calendar related function. We will move directly program. Okay. How to calendar related function we will study in the okay. Write the name module first. Okay, Python module first. We will save the program name. Okay, and we will study right now calendar related function, calendar related module. Okay, then we will write it here, calendar related module. Okay, then we will see how to import calendar function. Okay, we will see the module. We will module import it. What is this statement? We will write it here, import statement and from import statement. Yes, import calendar. Yes, am I right? We will study in second chapter. Yes, 2 statement important to import any package. Yes, first import statement and second one from import statement. Yes, correct. Then we will see import calendar. Why? Suppose 2021 and month I want 4th. Yes, then print it here, calendar dot month YY comma MM. Okay. Yes. Only this much theory. They are having no any theory. We will directly move for calendar related function module. Okay. import calendar. YY is equal to 2021. Y means year. M month, fourth. Okay. And then print calendar dot month. YY comma month. Okay. Then run the module, run the program. Okay. They're having print April month 2021. Okay. Suppose you write it here 12. Okay. Then yes, all of you, today's date. What is today's date?
16.
Yes. Yes, it is correct. They're having no any theory. We will see the directly program. Okay, calendar related program. Okay, all of you see this screen. Then we will write it here 2018. Yes. And all of you, this is the main main program. Okay, main calendar module. We will import it month, next one Y, year, and next one month. Okay, it is compulsory. Integer MM12. And you write it here in YY 2020, 2018. Okay. Next, we will see date time function. Okay. Basic date time function. In Python, they're not date time, it is own, but we can import the module date time and work with date and date object. Okay. They're having no any separate data type in date time, because we will import the date time function, date time module in Python. Okay. First, we will import it date time module in Python. Okay. Yes, we will see second program, date time. Okay. Import date time. Okay. Date and time. Okay. Next one, x is equal to date time dot date time dot now. Okay. Function complete. And then print x. Yes, today's date 16/12/2021. Okay, and hours also printed here. Okay. Yes. Now date time x is equal to date time dot now. Yes. Import date time x is equal to date time dot now and print x. Okay. We will see the two module import, calendar and date time. Okay. All of you understood this much part? Yes. Then we will move our next and very important point in regular expression. Okay. Yes. And listen carefully. In unit number 4, we will study import a different type of model. Only this much part in unit number 4 we will clear the point how to import any module in Python. Okay, they are having different packages, different module. In unit number 4, we will study. First, we will see calendar function, calendar module. Next one, date time module. Okay. Then we will move our next and important point, plus and star point, regular expression. Okay. We will move for our regular expression. Yes. Yes. Okay. We will move our very important point, important and star question of regular expression. Okay. Uh, Regular expression means what? Yes. Anyone tell me regular expression in DMS? Already you study in regular expression in DMS. Yes. DMS talk. Yes. Am I correct? तुम्ही रेग्युलर एक्सप्रेशन डीएमएस मध्ये लर्न केलं आहे का नाही? का टॉक मध्ये? टॉक मध्ये लर्न केलं असेल. येस. स्पीक अप. व्हॉट हॅपन? तुम्ही रेग्युलर एक्सप्रेशन टॉक मध्ये शिकला नाही का? येस और नो? टेल मी येस और नो. Tell me short theory of regular expression in talk. Yes. Tell me only short theory. I will not tell any complete theory. Only some of the part you remember it. Yes? Yes or no? Why so silent today? Why? A and B division. Vedangi, Rahul, Rohit. Okay. In Python, regular expression is a sequence of character to find, to search the pattern. We will use regular expression. Okay. For example, my email ID. Okay. I forgot it to write it here. Okay. For example, your email ID. Okay. If it is pattern match, your character match to your pattern. Okay. At the rate. येस @ द रेट डॉट. मग तिथेच येऊन थांबणार. कळलं का? मग तुमचा पॅटर्न मॅच व्हायला पाहिजे दुसऱ्या पॅटर्न बरोबर. येस. तरच ती मॅच होणार कॅरेक्टर, सिक्वेन्स ऑफ कॅरेक्टर. That's why we will use regular expression. We will use it for right sequence of character to form, to search the pattern. For example, my email ID. Yes, asjadhav@coe.sweri.ac.in. Yes, if my pattern match to yes, find it in my character string of my email ID. Then only then we will find your Okay, म्हणजे तो ट्रू होणार रेग्युलर एक्सप्रेशन म्हणजे ती कॅरेक्टर ट्रू होणार. Yes, otherwise we will get the false. Okay, they're having the for function we will regular expression we will study. First, regular expression check the string. If it is specified character, specified pattern, then only then regular expression true. Okay, they're having built-in package. Okay, in Python we will study regular expression rex. Okay, rex. Okay, then we will import the module re. Import re means regular expression. Okay, then we will move the built-in function find all. In regular expression 4 operation is there: find all, search, split and sub. Okay, suppose you take the string Vedangi Bhujam. Okay, then what will be matching here? All string print in find all. Okay, and search match object is there because of find the object. Object means search, span and all our strings should be print in match object. Okay, then split, your string should be print in separately. Okay, and so replace the one or many of matches with your string. Okay, your old string should be replaced with new string. Okay, we will see the practical. First of all, we will see the regular expression means what? Regular expression we will take with for Python to sequence of character means sequence of character means your string. Okay, then search the pattern means your group of pattern, group of character if it is true. Yes, if pattern म्हणजे तुम्ही काय देणार आहे? एक स्ट्रिंग देणार आहे. Yes, pattern म्हणजे काय? तुमची एक स्ट्रिंग आहे. मग ती ट्रू आहे की नाही ते फाइंड. We will see the find all, search, split and sub function. Using 4 function, we will check the if it is pattern, if it is true or false. Yes, मी याच्यामध्ये ट्रू और फॉल्सचा उल्लेख करते. आपण प्रोग्राम मध्ये गेल्यावर सगळे A to Z कंपल्सरी विल स्टडी इन बेसिक टू बेसिक. ओके, देन RE model we will import it. Import RE. Using RE, use the regular expression. Work with regular expression. Okay. First of all, write it test here. We will write it test. Okay. Regular expression. Regular. Okay. And they're having how many function we will study? Yes. Yes, find all. Find all function. Okay, return the list of all matches string. Match string. Okay, then search. Then search, return the match object if there are any मेथड. म्हणजे ती स्ट्रिंग त्या लिस्ट मध्ये प्रेझेंट आहे की नाही ते सर्च करायचं काम कोण करणार? सर्च फंक्शन. इफ येस इज प्रेझेंट फॉर माय स्ट्रिंग अक्षता जाधव, येस, देन yes should be print to the output, yes, otherwise take the empty string, empty list. Okay, then split function, the string with the given pattern. Okay, then sub means substitute, means your old string replaced with new string, new character. Okay, new string to the old string. Okay, we will write it here for your information. Okay, all of you information you should be understood carefully. Okay, then we will move our next point. Okay, we will study the step by step. Okay, how to import RE module in Python. Okay, import first RE. Import first, yes, random RE read line. तुम्हाला स्वतःहून काही टाइप करायची गरज नाहीये. तुम्हाला जे मॉड्यूल तुम्हाला पाहिजे आहे ते तुम्हाला इथे दाखवले गेलेलं आहे. RE रेक्स रॅपिड RE PR लॅब रिक्वेस्ट डॉट. ओके, फॉर एक्झाम्पल रिट्राईंग रिकम्पायलेटर rpy2. ओके, यामधले मला कोणतं मॉड्यूल इम्पोर्ट करायचंय? RE. Yes, then import it RE module. RE means your regular expression module. Okay, then only then we will perform the for function find all, search, split, and pattern sub. Yes, that's why we will use import RE. Okay, and then string. We will write it first string. Yes, anyone tell me your name? Okay. Yes. Okay. We will take it Rahul. Rahul Gapar. Okay. If it is right, then we will move for our find all syntax. Okay. First, we will write it syntax of find all. Okay. Find all. Okay. First, you write it pattern. Pattern and next your string. Yes, it is your syntax of find all. Okay, but we will use it for using re.find. Okay. Yes, all of you understood this much part? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Then we will see Ix is equal to Re dot find all. Then A, pattern A, and string str. Okay. And then trim X. Okay. Then run it. A. Means how many times? A should be print 3 times because your string should be 3 times occurred A character. Yes. Yes. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. All of you speak up. Yes. Then suppose I will write it here. Yes. And check it. Empty character. Empty list. Why should here empty list? Because Rahul Gapat is not present. Yes. If it is present, then only then should be print yes character. Okay. Yes. All of you understood this much part? Means find all string means काय आहे? तुम्हाला तुमच्या स्ट्रिंग मध्ये ए किती वेळा प्रिंट होणार, जेवढ्या वेळेला ते ऑकवर्ड होणार, म्हणजे सगळ्या स्ट्रिंग मधले ए ए ए फाइंड करणार तुम्हाला ते प्रिंट करून देणार. ओनली दिस मच वर्क इन फाइंड ऑल फंक्शन. ओके. मीन्स रिटर्न ऑल लिस्ट should all matches string. Okay, return list of all matches string means character should be print. Okay. Yes. Then we will move our next point, search. Okay. Yes, all of you, we will move for our search function. Import. Yes. Import RE. Okay. Then string. Yes, all of you see this screen. It is very much important information for you. Okay. Support for regular expression RE. Yes, RE, we will import it. Okay. And this module provides the regular expression matching operation similar to those found in Perl. Okay. 8-bit Unicode string, both the pattern and the string being processed can contain null byte. Okay. Means RE module use करायचं का? Because of two pattern. If it is right one pattern, if it is correct matching for your function, त्यासाठी RE module यूज करायचं. तुम्ही डायरेक्ट फाइंड ऑल सर्च हे कशामध्ये ऑपरेशन आहेत हे सगळे रेग्युलर एक्सप्रेशन मध्ये आहेत. सपोज तुम्ही रेग्युलर एक्सप्रेशन RE मॉड्यूल यूजच केलं नाही तर या ऑपरेशनचा काही यूज नाही, आपण ते यूज करताच येणार नाही. हे 4 ऑपरेशन 4 फंक्शन. ओके. देन ऑल ऑफ यू keep it to your mind. If it is try to regular expression program, then all of you compulsory to write import RE. RE means regular expression module. Okay. Yes. Then we will move for our next function, search. Okay. What do you mean by search function? Return the match object of any method. Okay. If it is find the search, REH. If it is find the string in your string function, string out input, then print it only this much part, AH. Okay. Means search only limited string. Okay. We will see what will be work here? Okay, str is equal to Vedangi. Vedangi was spelling. Okay, no problem. We will write it here. Okay. Next, the same syntax is here also. Re dot search pattern comma string. Okay, and then x is equal to re dot search okay, pattern string flag 0. It is optional condition, optional function flags is equal to 0. Only this much part is important, pattern and string. Okay. आणि लक्षात ठेवत जावा, तेव्हा सर्च येईल त्यावेळेला सिंटॅक्स काय आहे त्याचा ते पहिल्यांदा बघत जावा तुम्ही, लक्षात ठेवून. पॅटर्न स्ट्रिंग फ्लॅग 0 इज ऑप्शनल, पॅटर्न अँड स्ट्रिंग इट इज कंपल्सरी. ओके, तुम्ही यामधलं दोन्हीपैकी एक सुद्धा नाही दिलं तरी सुद्धा ते एरर प्रिंट होणार. ओके, रन टाइमला get it error from if you don't write it any pattern or string, any of them. Okay, then search okay bhu. Okay, then print str, then print x. Okay, okay, match object 9 to 12. Yes, anyone tell me span 9 to 12 काय आहे ते? Yes, span 9 to 12. It is a matching object, start, span and string. Yes, anyone tell me what is mean by span?
Ma'am, index.
Yes, absolutely right. Yes, and match BHU. Yes, BHU means region. Okay, next one, string. If it is match your string pattern, yes, then only match object span 9 to 12 means your index part and match BHU string. Okay, next we will see the match object function. We will write it here first test. Okay, because of your match object, they are having 3 functions. Match. All of you see here, match object, it is your match object is your function. Okay, we will see a match object. What is match object in your search function? Okay, we will see here first start function, then span and then string. Okay, okay, we will see here import same re. Okay, and then same string we will take it here str Vedangi vision. Okay, next one x is equal to re dot search. Okay, pattern. Write it here, pattern bhu comma str. Okay, next one print x. Okay, and then start print x dot start. Okay, next one print x dot span. Then next one print x dot string. What is error here? Okay, now to 12 and str already we will call it here print x. Okay, yes, all of you understood this much part? Yes, match object, they're having three functions: start, span, and string. Okay, all of you will write it here string. Yes, match object matching the string bhu. Okay, then next start with 9. Okay, start with 9. If it is your, write it here way. Okay, then what happened here? 0. Start with 0. 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yes. Yes. All of you understood this much part? Yes. Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then we will move for our next function. Next function. What is our next function? Split. Okay. Import re. Okay. Str is equal to next name. Yes, anyone tell your name into chat box, then we will write it here. Yes, anyone tell your name fast. Okay, two name is here. First, we will take first name for split function and then second name for sub function. Okay. Okay. They're having string of Caesar. Okay. Next one, we'll take it X. Yes. All of you write it a split function syntax. Okay. Then we will take it directly syntax here X. Directly input from re dot split pattern string max split. Okay. Pattern string max split, it is your syntax. Okay. All of you see this screen. Okay. Then we will see, write it, pattern, okay, and string. Okay. Then print x. Okay. Print it here. Okay. Then we will see the split function. Okay. Next, we will see the empty string. What Goraknath says. Okay. Might happen like this. Okay. Then only print Goraknath Senath. Roll number 73. First, your name, it is not print, only says it. Only means you are split your first string, then a second string. Okay. Then we will see the empty string. What will be print here? Okay.